First and foremost, thank you for giving me the privilege to stand here in front of you on behalf of my fellow Access graduates. Words are not enough to express the happiness that we feel in our hearts today. 2 years, my dear fellows, as 2 years have now passed since we have been granted this English Access Micro Scholarship Program. I still remember the first time we all met, where we looked younger. We're still in high school, though we are older and most of us are at university now. I don't know about you guys, but for me, those 2 years spent with you were the best moment of my life. This program is one of the best things that has ever happened to me. We have had only good time together, working in pairs and groups, singing, moving around the classroom, using English, and I hope that this experience will remain etched in our hearts forever. We have learned a lot. The main goal of that program we have received was to improve and to increase our ability to communicate in English. And I think that you all agree with me that the mission has been accomplished. As an example, I can assure that 2 years ago, I would never have been able to do what I'm doing now, speaking to an audience in English. However, during those 2 years spent together, in addition to the knowledge we have acquired, we have learned many of the things, like the new friendships that have developed, whether between students or between students and teachers. I hope that these friendships will never be broken. Today is the day dedicated to our graduation. But let me tell that we don't need an award or a medal to prove that we have something special in us. All of us are blessed with talents and are worth congratulating. And this is what this day is really all about. We are going to take the next leg of our journey. We've completed a basic education that will serve as a platform used to launch ourselves to our futures. We began studying at TTP as children, but we're living here as adults, meaning there's no more hands holding, just grab your word. Wherever you go, wherever you do, there are always challenges ahead of us. And what I am asking from each of you and from myself is to meet those challenges straight on with your head held high and your heart wide open. It is not enough to simply try to get by in life. That doesn't move the world forward. You must try to excel in everything you do. Strive for excellence in every task, large or small. We, the students of the Access Free, cannot thank enough the US Embassy for granting us the opportunity to reach our goals and to prepare us for the future through learning English and at the most prestigious English Center in Madagascar, which is everyone here is aware of the immense assistance you bring to our country to revive our economy. We are eternally grateful towards you. We also thank the EP, to whom we owe this fabulous experience. Many thanks to all the staff, starting from the director, the assistant employees, and the administrators. Special thanks to the teachers, provided their knowledge and with whom we've shared some time. Finally, I have a message to convey coming from my companions and myself to the Access 5 students. Dear students, if you have been accepted into this program, that means you are brilliant students. Be aware of the huge chance that you have because of the hundreds of students of all schools of Antananarivo who submitted their candidacy. You are the ones who won the great opportunity to study at DTP, which I said earlier, I think the most prestigious school teaching English in Madagascar. We have been trained to support each other, so we should try to give something back to others. Please join me in giving the round of applause for all of those who have supported us. Also thanks to the US government and the English teaching program. Thank you for your candidature, ladies and gentlemen. Best of luck to everyone.